are two challenges according to me in the pharma industry, and I'm covering something that probably has not been covered. One of the thing is reluctance. Okay, people are reluctant to try new things and they settle for mediocrity. So reluctance and mediocrity, the combination of these two is what's happening, and I think this is where the challenge is really. People have to get rid of the reluctance and try new things. They have to be more adventurous. And secondly is because regulation, compliance, and they put all these hurdles in their place, we have to ease that channel out more. It's not that the world doesn't do it.
You are embracing AI into your agency ecosystem.
So I think the first word that we use when it comes to AI in our office is exploratory. We're in an exploratory mode to see whatever is new in AI and adapt to the healthcare landscape. I mean, very recently we created an innovation called
Hi, Aleem, welcome to the show.
Hi Lokesh, pleasure to be here.
Yeah, so I just want to ask about your journey.
Okay, I'm an outsider from this industry.
Okay.
I've been running a marketing, creative, advertising, digital company for the past 20 years.
Okay.
I have worked with every single pharma company as their agency partner, and I literally go on to say Abbott to Zydus.
Okay.
A to Z of the industry
Right.
is who we work with across all domains. Yeah.
So, as a pharma marketer, right, things have changed rapidly, right?
Yeah.
So when I talk to leaders from the pharma, like they say कि पहले product management department भी नहीं था, right? Some companies introduced that, and now things have changed from the rapid pace जहाँ पे जो भी MBA graduate हो रहा है, right? उनका dream है to become a brand manager, product manager, right? बहुत fancy जो department है वो pharma marketing का, right? So what do you see as a challenge in the pharma marketing nowadays, और opportunities कहाँ दिखती हैं आपको?
There are two challenges according to me in the pharma industry, and I'm covering something that probably has not been covered.
Cool.
One of the thing is reluctance. Okay, people are reluctant to try new things and they settle for mediocrity. So reluctance and mediocrity, the combination of these two is what's happening, and I think this is where the challenge is really. People have to get rid of the reluctance and try new things. They have to be more adventurous. And secondly is because regulation, compliance, and they put all these hurdles in their place, we have to ease that channel out more. It's not that the world doesn't do it. Like if you go internationally, you'll see pharmaceutical ads on TV. But here in India, we don't allow that. Fair enough. But at least can we try? Can we break certain boundaries and certain hurdles to make life easier for everyone and not settle for mediocrity? So I think the biggest thing that's stopping pharma industry from booming 10x is mediocrity.
Got it. And what are the opportunities?
The opportunities are the sky if one can dream of it. The only thing is that we limit ourselves.
Right.
And that is why I think it is not about opportunity. I mean, opportunities will keep coming. Today we are saying AI, tomorrow it will be something else, the day after tomorrow it will be something else. That does not matter. If you accept that I want to break that hurdle, if you accept that I want to cross that boundary, I think the boundaries and the challenges are in your head, nothing else.
Great. As you mentioned AI as a new trend, right?
Yeah.
How, like, you are the agency owner as well, like how you are embracing AI into your agency ecosystem?
So I think the first word that we use when it comes to AI in our office is exploratory.
Great.
We're in an exploratory mode to see whatever is new in AI and adapt to the healthcare landscape. I mean, very recently we created an innovation called video aid. Okay, we're moving the simple visual aid into something more interactive, more immersive, things that you could have never seen before. So we created a product called video aid, and we are basically shaking things up with something as simple as that. But we're also creating a lot of tools for the industry and at all levels, from HO to the brand management team to the strategy team to the rep on the field. We're creating tools for across the thing. We're embracing AI in a very, very big way. Now the thing is, will the industry be reluctant to accept, or will they be open to accept?
Right. As you mentioned, like you have started as a job and now you are an agency owner. Same like someone start as a start in the L&D department and then they become the coach, right? So what's your message to someone like who are currently into pharma departmental ecosystem and then they want to start something on their own?
I'm a big promoter of entrepreneurship. I think everybody should try entrepreneurship at some point of time in their life just to get a kick up your dash.
Right.
So now the thing is that I think everyone should try entrepreneurship, should go through the grind of entrepreneurship and have the grit, which is basically hard work over a long period of time to try it out. But don't do it because of the heck of doing it. Don't do it if you don't have a unique idea.
Right.
Do it because you really believe in something. Do it because you have something that can shake things up. Don't settle again. My final word would be don't settle for mediocrity.
Right. So I'm Gen Z. Okay?
Yeah.
And everyone is talking about the Gen Z nowadays.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's a big topic.
Yeah.
Because we have raised in that manner
Yeah.
in the digital era, and we have exposed ourselves to a lot of things, and that's why somewhere we are not sure about the things, right?
Yeah.
So what's your view on this new workforce who is changing the game for every industry?
So what is happening is today people are talking about Gen Z and giving it bad name. 20 years people are talking about millennials the same way. So this is not something new that's happening. It's new to you, that's why you're getting affected. But when we were younger, I'm a millennial, okay, so people would tell me that, oh, this millennial, they're stuck on the TV all the time. They watch these American music channels. That time there was MTV and Channel V, and we used to watch these channels, and people thought, oh, they're getting influenced by this MTV, Channel V, and they wear these kind of clothes, they listen to these kind of songs. In log mein sanskar hi nahi bache hai. That was a challenge that we were thrown at when we were younger. This will happen with every generation. You at some point of time will blame the next generation also,
Alpha.
saying, yaar ye alpha generation kya hai. So every generation comes with its own ecosystem, its own environment, and its own challenges. It is up to your generation now to say, we may be Gen Z, we have this tag, okay, we got to break this tag and prove it to the world, and I'm quite sure you will.
Great. Thank you so much for being on this
Thank you,
small
Lokesh.
talk show.
Lovely.
We will interact again.